Hello everyone, my name is David Arena. I work on the 3D scanning team here at GoEngineer. Today we're going to take a look at creating a Pipe Centerline entity inside of Creaform Scan-to-CAD module. In the Pro version of the module, we can also create a solid body in this session. I'll show options in both the regular Scan-to-CAD module as well as the Pro version. Let's get started. So here we are in the Scan-to-CAD module. We're actually in the Pro version of the module, and the difference between the Pro version and their standard version is basically two things. As we can extract some of these entities, they can be created as solids or surfaces as we extract them. The other one is this modeling toolbar that allows us to do sketching and also perform things like extrusions, revolutions, and other CAD-like features. Both versions are capable of doing a pipe centerline, so we're going to go ahead and do that here from the Entities toolbar. Do a pipe centerline. We're going to select the data, so I'm going to say select all. And you can see here the preview of the path is not quite ideal on the right side here, so we're going to use this tool here called Use Guide Curve. When I invoke that command, you can see here on the screen I have kind of a blue dot on my cursor. So I'm going to actually create a curve here by snapping on the end and adding some points to help me with the guide curve. Now I don't need to create a lot of points. I'm basically just kind of going where the sharp change in direction occurs, and I'm just going to kind of add a few more points to kind of make a better fit. And you can see here at the end, that's my last point, so that's a much better fit on that curve. Other things we can do here is if we want to extend the path, let's say we wanted to extend it by 1 inch, go ahead and type that in. And you'll see on either end now that path is extended 1 inch on both sides. We can also display a color map just to show the fit of the center line with its profile. We can also control the diameter here by changing the diameter here. So for example, it comes up at 0.3697. Let's say we wanted to round that up to 0.375. We can just override that value if we want to. And the last thing in the Pro version is we can say create a solid. So if I say create solid and then say OK, then you can see basically now we've created a solid body using the pipe centerline. So let's see what our options would be with the standard version. With the standard version, we can go ahead and right click on the pipe located in the tree here under the entities directory, and we can export these out as IGES or STEP or DXF. The other option is to transfer these to another CAD program, in this case SOLIDWORKS. So I'll go ahead and click SOLIDWORKS, and it's going to go ahead and transfer that centerline path as well as the profile over to SOLIDWORKS. So now that we're in SOLIDWORKS, what I can do is I can come up here to the features and say I want to do a swept solid, and I'm going to go ahead and select the profile, and then I'm going to go ahead and select the path, go ahead and say OK. And you can see here now that is a solid body that we've transferred over from Scan-to-CAD into SOLIDWORKS to create a swept solid. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.